with the index analysis. So I had shared this chart long back, I mean few weeks back, and this is the pattern which we observed. Uh, in 2021 there was a correction and there was a uptrend, minor correction, another uptrend, and another correction before the up move. So this, if you can see, is the rally, right? So this is the rally which we saw in 2023. So let's mark it as screen from 2023 April. So I think old members would remember that I mentioned in during this phase that one of the biggest rally or bull market is yet to come. So this was that rally which we saw in 2023 to 24, and since then market has been in a long consolidation. So this consolidation is still ongoing. So if you can see, same pattern is happening here. So now we are seeing this uptrend. It will happen for the next 1 or 2 months. After that, from this could go here also. Okay, till from December mid or January starting somewhere we can see some correction here, and then this same rally or a little bit smaller we can see here. Okay, so for now there is a VCP breakout. This is the cup, and a smaller cup. So this is the breakout we saw in the last week, and now we are seeing uptrend continuation. So there is a follow-up candle. Uh, so now we are seeing some good gap up tomorrow because of the news around the tariff. So so in any case, the chart says that the uptrend will continue here. So we have to see this. Next, coming to small caps. So I was waiting for this breakout here. So if you remember, we have been bullish since this pattern was building up, and then give me a minute. Are you able to hear me properly? Okay. All right. So so this was the uh, accumulation which happened in after March, right? So after the accumulation, the market went up, and then there was a distribution, and again there is a consolidation happening. So this is the range which I was waiting for the breakout. So now that we are getting this breakout, uh, I'm expecting stock specific action to resume. So during this time, if you remember, last few months, most of these stocks were not moving anywhere, right? And many people lost patience also, since market was not going anywhere, and stock specific action was missing. Although index were moving up, that is Nifty was moving up, right? Uh, Nifty was moving up, but stocks were not moving up, right, during this phase. So this was because it is still hovering in a range, and somebody's on. Hello. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so this is the range which I was waiting for, that is this breakout. So now that we have got this breakout candle, although it's a small one, so if we can get a bigger candle tomorrow, then we can expect more stock specific action in this market. So there, it's also nearing a RSI breakout. So once that is done, and let's see. Okay, MACD is also Let's check the, it's in green. So yeah, so from tomorrow onwards we can see some bullish action in stocks. Okay, this is about small caps and Nifty. So let's discuss about the stock which I was mentioning in the uh, this stock. So it's a 25-year multi-year breakout. So it's a long breakout. So it has to sustain. The stock is Ramco system. Okay. First, whenever we check a stock, we have to check the all-time chart. So if you go here, you will get an idea about the overall trend. So let's close this. Okay, now if you can see, it's a VCP pattern in a longer term. So if you check, take an example of small caps as a reference. So if you check the all-time chart here, so even this was making a VCP pattern, right? So there's a longer curve, smallest curve, and there was a breakout. So let's close this. So there was a retest and it's moving up. So so as I've told earlier also, after such big breakout, stocks uh, won't stop. So after this consolidation, we may see bigger movement like this in a longer run. So so you don't have to lose hope. Whenever there is a correction, you have to uh, check for like focus on the good setups in this market and hold for at least midterm. Now let's go back. So now talking about this Ramco system, uh, yeah, although this setup is good, the fundamentals have to improve. And from what I see, the fundamentals are improving a little bit. And this from 2000, there is a long trend line. So you can see the blue line, right? So there is a small breakout on monthly chart. So it was attempting to break out multiple times. Here, one, two, and there's a final finally a breakout. So and also our RSI long-term breakout is there. And if you can see, there is a lot of volume buildup is there. So if this sustains, I am expecting it to go towards 900. And once this breakout is done, you can expect further upside. The setup is really good from what I see. So if you're planning to buy or trade in this, you can add a small quantity here and leave it for kind of midterm. So in in few weeks, I mean, I'm not sure how much it can go. It may retest also, so you have to hold patiently. You can add in parts also on any retest and leave it for midterm. So this is about, and if you check the uh, target of such pattern, right? We check the longer cup, and in case of small caps, I can see in longer term it can go till here and beyond. Ramco system, similarly, depth of this, it can go to 25K. I'm not sure, but yeah, it can at least double from here. That's what I can see from here. Okay, and any questions? You can raise your hand. I can unmute you. किसी के पास कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बोल सकते हैं, स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक या फिर मार्केट। Hi. Okay. See, it depends on how long you want to buy it for. If it is for long term, it's always good to buy at any level. And for now, there is a small correction going on after the rally, and I feel mostly people are moving to equity. They will start moving to equity for some time, and then again they will be buying in gold and silver. But the recent rally has been very good from last 1 year in gold and silver. So any dip will be buying opportunity, and I'm not looking for short term in this. Uh, so yeah, yeah. Anybody, any questions, any doubts? Yeah, hello. Yes, yes, you're audible. Mm-hmm. See, in platinum, yeah. So there was a breakout here, and we booked somewhere here, and after that it has come down for a retest. So if you remember, we last time we did like this, and it broke out, right, and went up. Now similarly, again it has again broken out, and it's moving up. So yeah, the so mostly it should move up from here, and so if you're looking for short term, it can go to 330 in shorter term, and there's a resistance here. Yeah,